Happy VEDA day 7. Yep, this is going on today in my kitchen. Just folded all of my laundry this morning. Finally caught up on laundry, thank the Lord. The worst thing about laundry is that my laundry room is on the first story and all of these have to be carried up to the second story. But that's okay. They're all washed, folded, and now time to put them up. Good morning, everybody. Oh my gosh, I have done laundry. There's a turkey in my oven downstairs. I got up around 6:30 this morning and I just started doing. I just came upstairs to clean myself up. It's just one of those days where I just felt like I just needed a few minutes, put a little makeup on, actually feel like a person, put my earrings on, comb my hair to some degree in some kind of bun. It needs to be colored so bad. I mean, look at the gray. Oh my goodness, look at the gray. Anyways, we're not going to focus on that. Came up, put a clean t-shirt on, pair of jeans, socks, some tennis shoes. It's going to be a beautiful day today. My father-in-law brought me a turkey last night, a butterball turkey. I'm like, what am I going to do with this turkey? So I got up this morning and I put it in the oven. I'm going to make mashed potatoes and gravy. We have leftover green beans from Easter, and so that is what we're going to have today. I'm going to make some biscuits to go with it. So it'll be really, really good. Keep your fingers crossed. It's really, really good because actually this is the first turkey that I have ever made without putting it in a bag. But I did a little research online just to make sure that I had my thoughts all together on how to do this in a roaster. And anyways, it's in the oven. It smells really good and it looks beautiful. It's actually getting so nice and brown. And I can't wait to dive in because I'm pretty sure it's going to taste pretty good too. My son was featured in a magazine. He just sent me the article. I'll just pop up a picture. Well, I don't even know if I can do that with my editor. You know what? I'll probably just put a picture of it over on Instagram. So if you guys are not on my Instagram or my Facebook, I'll do both. That way you guys can see. But he was featured in a magazine. And it's all about the struggles. I'm pretty sure that it's all about the struggles of music students during the pandemic. Because obviously their craft is hands-on and you work near somebody. And I have to tell you that the music department over at Memphis University, they did everything to work with those students. And I was very pleased. I was very, very pleased. Some very good people, very intelligent, very creative ways to keep those students going and keep their education flowing. It was amazing. I think, in my personal opinion, they did an awesome job. I'm very proud of my son, by the way. If you don't know and you're new to my channel, he is a classical pianist. Very gifted, does not get it from me. No. I do not play any instruments. Well, I used to play the drums, long story. Used to play the drums. I still love to play the drums. Like inside, I'm a drummer, you know. Anyways, my mother is a musician and she plays the piano, so he gets it from somewhere. But not me. Not me. I do a little singing. I went to school, studied a little bit of music, blah, blah, blah. Now, my husband is a Southern gospel singer, so there's a lot of music going on in my family. But I am so proud of Lucas. So, Lucas, if you're watching this, Mom is over the moon about you. And you know I'm your #1 fan. I'm so proud of you. Continue with your passion. And play with your whole heart because I love to hear you because you play from your feelings. And I'm gonna cry. Don't make me cry. Don't cry, Heidi. Don't cry. Okay. Anyhow, I'm gonna go downstairs. I love you, Lucas, and thank you for everybody else who's watching this video. It's gonna be a great day, and we're gonna have some turkey. So let's get going. All right, let's take a look. See what it looks like. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. I've got the neck in here with some seasonings and some bouillon cubes, and I'm going to use the broth from this to make my gravy. I've got my potatoes back here, and they are all cubed and ready to boil. My turkey is looking really, really good. It's got about, woo, hold on. It's got about 10 more minutes in there. And I'm going to make some biscuits. It just came out of the oven. It looks so pretty. I love it when it first comes out and it's all nice and brown. You're looking at some bay leaf here on the top. I love the way bay leaf smells when you bake with it. Oh, this is going to be really good. There's my gravy made. I think I got some on my screen on my phone. Okay, gravy, my mashed potatoes, my turkey sitting here ready, been resting, waiting to be sliced. And I have my biscuits, and I'm going to heat up my green beans, and we'll be ready to eat. Well, I'm glad nobody liked it. That's all that's left. I don't even know if there's anything on there, but anyways, that's all that's left. That's macaroni salad. It's almost gone. That's all I got left of the mashed potatoes. I got 4 biscuits left and about a cup and a half of gravy. So I'd say we did pretty good. My mother and father-in-law came over and helped us eat this, and Ronnie said it was the best turkey you'd ever have, and I gotta tell you, that makes me feel really good. But now I gotta clean up the mess, and I feel those turkey sleepy enzymes working on me. Hello everybody. I can hardly see you. It's so bright out here. But I'm with my husband.
We are having taking a stroll.
We had to after eating all that food. But we have a little gas station near our house, and so we strolled down there because every once in a while we go down there and get a yoo-hoo.
A chocolate?
Chocolate yoo-hoo.
A chocolate yoo-hoo. We treat ourselves every little now and then.
A chocolate pop.
Yeah, chocolate pop.
Chocolate pop. Well, I just tore apart the stove and scrubbed it, and it needed it badly. Something got spilt down inside of this one, and it kept stinking. And I thought I had it all wiped out, but then I turned it on and it smelled again. And here it was something that sort of melted onto my thing, but I got it all off, so that is good. And then I washed all these dishes, and I've got my towel here. I'm about to dry all of these and put them up. And I'm probably going to do a quick mop in here, and the kitchen will be closed. Hello everybody, it is my final check-in for the evening. As you can tell, I am in the bed. It is 12:30 and Ronnie and I stayed up, and we watched, what did we watch last? We watched 2 episodes of Dallas. Anybody Dallas fans? You guys remember that TV series? Bobby and JR. Anyhow, we watched Dallas, and I get a big kick out of it because I can't believe, like the hairstyles and all of that just kind of pushes me back in history. Anyways, we enjoyed that. Drank our yoo-hoos tonight, and then now we are getting ready to go to bed. I'm editing this video, so if you are new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Now tomorrow I'm going to be filming a shopping trip. We are going to go to TJ Maxx and to Home Goods tomorrow. And you will see that. Let's see, what is today? Is today Tuesday or Wednesday? No, today's Wednesday. So you will see that Friday. You will see that Friday. So, yeah, you will see that on Friday. That'd be cool. So I hope you guys are doing well. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for joining me on my day. A little bit different today. I didn't plan to make a turkey this week, but made a turkey dinner today. It was very, very good. Ronnie really loved it. There was no leftovers, nothing to put away. It was all gone. So that is good. So I will see you guys all tomorrow. I always ramble when I'm super tired. And guess what? I'm super tired. So I'm going to shut up. I'm going to edit this. And I will talk to you all later. Good night, guys.